On today's episode of GCPS Tech Tips, we are continuing our dive into the accessibility features on your Chromebook. Let's look at the features that make using your cursor easier to use. These features include making your cursor large and or highlighted along with automatic clicks. Do you sometimes have trouble finding your cursor on the screen? I do it all the time. Let's change the settings on your cursor to help locate it. Let's highlight and make your cursor large by finding these features at the bottom of the accessibility list under the text additional settings. Highlighting your cursor places a large circle around it as it moves across your screen. The large cursor feature does just that. It makes your cursor larger and easier to see. Another feature you can use is automatic clicks. This feature works so you don't have to physically click your mouse or touchpad each time you want to select something on your screen. This feature will select or click on hyphenated text and images when hovered over with the cursor for a certain period of time. Use the toolbar that pops up to tell your Chromebook what action to complete, such as double-click, right-click, or even click and drag when using automatic clicks. Do you think these features can help you or others with navigating your cursor? If so, be sure to like and subscribe to get new notifications of videos on our channel.